So I'll be demonstrating a single channel Sensorimotor rhythm clicker using an active electrode.C3. I'll just show you where C3 is. So this thing over here is C3, and here's the one channel analog EEG I placed here. So I'll be demonstrating that, and basically it would just do this click based on my thoughts, be the alpha and beta theta signals. So few notes I wrote during this experiment is the pipeline filters at the live sampling rate. So resamples to 520 Hz to match training. Then I compute the alpha power from 8 to 12 Hz, beta power from 13 to 30 Hz, and then beta to alpha ratio. Then I trained a calibrated classifier producing a probability each 0.2 window with the 0.08 second hop, and it uses this BioAmp pill, if you can see, and it's attached to an Arduino. So I'll show you the main experiment now. I first had it in my what's the position, let me see again. Yeah, FP1 and FP2. So if I show you the screen again, I first had it over here, but then because I'm doing the right click one, I had it in C3 now, C3 position. So let me run the script and then I'll show you my mouse, and let me just run it, and let me be relaxed for like 10 seconds. It should run the script. Still works probably, but yeah, okay. Hold rest still for 10 seconds. Experimenting starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you go. I'm thinking to shoot. Okay, yeah, I should start in here, yeah. Okay, I'm thinking to shoot. Yeah, shoot, 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 shoot. Okay, works pretty well. Now let me just move around and shoot things. So with this, shoot, 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 please shoot. Yeah, there you go. One more. Yeah. So basically, bit hazy, but yeah, works with my brain. Small project to apply for my thesis, and yeah, hope you like it. Thank you.